Check this out, guys. You want to see? Careful, Blowzo. You're let him watch you fall once. You want to see the silliest antenna you've ever seen in your life? So, 10 meters is finally getting used. Really? What you doing, man? You getting all jealous? Get jealous because Daddy's filming a movie. Look at here. Let's get up close. There's the feed point. Green hookup wire. Square 3/4 inch stick. Duct taped to bamboo stick. One stick duct taped to another bamboo stick. And up we go. It works fantastic. Covers about the whole damn band. Isn't that right, Blitzy? Why does he do this to my movies? Say 73, guys. Blowzo, you gotta say, Blitzy, you gotta say 73. 73, guys. Be well.